Welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show. I am James Boslaw, your Fredericksburg area realtor and vacation rental investor. And this show is all about real estate in the Fredericksburg area, the Fawn Lake Community, and the vacation rental space. I help people buy and sell homes because I believe that everyone should grow their wealth as they live in or own a home that they love. I also believe that everyone should feel confident when buying or selling a home, and confidence comes when you are well educated and informed. And that's what this show is all about. Enjoy the show. Hey everybody, welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show, where in today's episode, we are going to break down the real estate stats for the Fawn Lake community through the month of August of 2023. And as we do so, these stats are just kind of confirming more and more of what we've seen over the past 5 months. We've now seen, this is the 5th month in a row, where certain trends are continuing and have basically solidified themselves as the new normal. So let's go over what these stats are for the Fawn Lake community. And it all starts off with the overall sold dollar volume, which is down 37% year to date. So 37% less sold January through August of this year than there was January through August of 2022. That's a lot less homes being sold as far as the overall sold volume. The average sold price is down nearly 4%, 3.74%, and the median sold price is down 1%. So what we've now seen is for 5 months in a row, the overall sold volume is down in our community. And that is significant. These aren't crazy numbers. Year to date, the average sales price being down nearly 4% is really nothing major. And the median sale price being down about 1%. Once again, this is nothing major. However, what it is showing is that the things are turning. The home sale prices in Fawn Lake are no longer going up. They are actually going down. And this will be 5 months in a row where they are going down just slightly. The overall unit sold is down 34%. Once again, just fewer homes are being sold. And the average days on market is actually up about 44%. So this year, the average days on a home to be in the market before it goes under contract is 26 days, whereas in last year, it would take about 18 days. That's not a significant increase. We're talking about 8 days longer for a home to go under contract this year over last year. However, what we are seeing is that the 5 months in a row that the sales prices, both average and median in Fawn Lake, are going down. Not significantly, very incrementally, but they are going down. And homes are taking a little bit longer to sell as well. So what does this mean if you're a seller? It means you have to reset your expectations. Your home will probably take a little bit longer to sell. It might not sell for what you want it for, but it's not going to be that far off. We're not talking about significant changes in the sales price in this neighborhood, but it is incremental and something to take note of. And what does this mean if you're a buyer? Well, if you're a buyer, it means that you might have some wiggle room on negotiations. This is something that has not been the case over the last several years. There's been a low inventory and homes were just flying off the shelves, bidding wars. And now, if you're a buyer looking into Fawn Lake, this actually might not be a bad time to look at purchasing. So there is opportunity there for you if you are a buyer. If you're a seller, you might have to exercise some patience and reset your expectations. However, all in all, things are fairly steady in our neighborhood. There's nothing drastic as far as sales prices. Even the lowering of the sales price, it's very small at about 3.74%. And so something to take note of, but nothing to worry over. Everybody's asking the same question, and that is, why are the sales prices going down? Why are homes taking longer to sell? And it all boils down to interest rates. Interest rates are, as we record this episode, about 7.25%, and that has certainly created a slowdown in the market, exactly as it was intended to do. And we don't know where the interest rates are going to go, if they're going to go up or if they're going to go down. But what we do know is if the interest rates do go down, there are going to be a ton of buyers that will be jumping into the market again, trying to scoop up homes and in bidding wars. So as interest rates go down, I think we'll see the sales prices go up. So there's certainly something to keep in mind if you're looking to buy or sell in the community. With that being said, if you have any more questions or want to get some more expert advice on what's taking place in our community, you can always find me at my website at explorewithjb.com. And as always, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to click subscribe so that you can be kept up to date with all of the most recent episodes for the Explore Real Estate Show. If you're listening to this on Apple's podcast, make sure that you follow as well so that you too can stay up to date on the most recent episodes. With that being said, I hope this information is helpful for you and helps you stay informed about what's taking place in our community. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode.